Hello guys, this is Freelancers Train. On this channel, I get to cover on website development using WordPress. So today is the class 6. I will be taking you step by step on how to create websites using WordPress. So if you have not watched my previous tutorials, the class 1 to class 5, you can kindly check this channel. You will find the videos and start your website development journey with them. All right, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your page and your menu. So in my previous tutorial, I explained what a page in a website development is. So if you have not watched that tutorial, you can kindly watch that tutorial. That was my class 1, Introduction to Website Development. So now today, a menu is a collection of pages. Okay, let me get to my screen so that I will give you a better explanation on that. Okay, let me log into the dashboard. Okay, let me visit this website, the website that I've been working on. Okay, this is a page. In my first class, I explained the contents that should be on a web page. So this is a page of a website. All right, so now you can see in this navigation bar we have home, about, blog, and contacts. These pages were created by default when we were installing this theme. So these links, they are linking to pages on this website. So these 4 pages here are what we call a menu. So today's tutorial, I will be taking you through how to create the pages and group them together to become a menu. Then the menu, you can put them wherever you want to put them on your website, maybe on the top bar, the navigation bar, or the footer. You can put them anywhere. All right, so let's get started. At first, we are going to remove this menu so that we can start to create our own afresh. So let's come here. Let's create our page first. So to create your page, kindly come to the left side of your dashboard. You will see pages. As a submenu, you will see all pages and add new. So click on add new. Okay, when you click on add new, just like the way we created our post in the previous tutorial, you can add the title of your page. Now, let me visit my own personal website here. So I want to follow this menu here. For this menu, I'm having home, about us, services, courses, and so on. So let's follow. Let's create about us. Okay, so after giving it a title, you can start putting whatever that you want to be on the page. But for now, we are not dealing with how to put content on our page. We just want to create the pages and put them in menu. So what I will do now is to click on publish here and publish my page. Okay, about us. Let me see if it will show in the front end. Okay, you can see the page that I've created is not showing here for now. Okay, so let's create another one. Let's create another one, which is services. Services, add new. Services. Okay, then I publish. Okay, let me tell you one thing here. In the down here, though this one, it is not all themes that have this, but some themes have them. So you can choose your layout here. Maybe you want it to be one main body and a sidebar. You want it to be one sidebar to the left and the main body, or you want it to be 2 sidebar and 1 body. As you can see in the front end here, we have our sidebar to the left and our sidebar also to the right, and we have our main body here. So you can choose to have 1 sidebar and 1 body, or 1 sidebar to the right and 1 body. So you can choose your layout here. So let's choose our layout to be one sidebar to the left and the main body. So I'm choosing our main sidebar, but if you are not choosing anything here, then it will inherit general layout, which is two sidebars and one main body. All right, let me publish. Okay, this page is published. Let's create another one. Add new. I think we should just create 3. Add new. The next one is courses. Let's just create 3 pages, courses. Okay, then let's publish. Okay, our 3 pages are published. As you can see in the front end, all those pages we have created, they are not appearing here yet. Now I want them to appear here as menu. So how do I do that? Is to go to the appearance. You go to the appearance. Under appearance, you move down to menus. You can see menu, click on menus. So now on the front page, you can see home, about, blog, content. This is the menu that is on the front page, but I don't want this menu there. So I want to create my own menu. Now look down here, you will see top bar, mobile, header and footer. This menu is on the header part of this website, so I want to remove it. So and save. So if I uncheck this header, it will remove. Okay, so let me refresh this page. You can see there's no menu here anymore. Okay, so I want to create my own menu now. So here I'll click create a new menu. So I want to name the menu tutorial. You can name it anything of your choice. Tutorial. I'm naming it tutorial. Okay, so I'll create menu. I'll click on create menu. Okay, my menu is created, but this menu I've not assigned it to display anywhere. So to assign it to display somewhere, I need to put it. Do I want it to be top bar? Do I want it to display only on mobile? Do I want it on the header part or the footer part? But for now, I want it on the header part. So I click on header and save menu. Now, let me refresh my page. Okay, for now, nothing is showing. Why? Because I've not added my pages. So I want to add my pages. Now, to the left-hand side here, I can see pages. Pages, most recent pages that I've created. These are courses, services, about us. Those are the 3 pages I just created. Now, but to view all, I need to click on view all. So under view all, I can select the pages I want for this menu. So I can select home, about us. Okay, about us, about, courses. Sorry, this about is not there. Let's remove that about. Home, about us, courses and services. Those are the ones we just created. Then I'll click add to menu. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 pages are being added to this menu tutorial that I've created. Then I can say save changes. Okay, so let me refresh my page. So you can see home, about us, courses, services. They are now created and added as menu. All right, now if I want this menu, the same menu to display in my footer part of this website, I'll check this footer. If I want it to display on the top bar, I will check this top bar and save menu. Okay, then I refresh my page. All right, so you can see that on the top bar I have home, about us, courses and services. Then on the footer part of this website also, I'm having the same menu. But this is not actually good for a website. Like I'm having the same menu here and the same menu here. It's not good. So I can have different menu on the top bar and different menu on the header part. Okay, so let me uncheck. I don't want the menu to be on the top part, and I don't want it to be in the footer part. I would only want it on the header part. So let me save menu and refresh my page. Okay, you can see this menu is now only on the header part of this website. The one on the footer is being removed. Now I want to put another menu on the header part. Okay, so I can see the menus that were created: the primary menu, secondary menu, tutorial. This tutorial is the one we just created. This primary menu and secondary menu were created by default when we were installing our theme. So I want to select primary menu. So I select primary menu and click on select. Then you see the tutorial menu has been hidden. Yeah. And the primary menu is now up for us to work upon. So now we see home, about us, blog, and contact. So I want this menu to display in the footer part. So you can see I will check footer part and save menu. Then let's choose our secondary menu. Secondary menu, select. Then I want this secondary menu, which is carrying the link to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and email, the link to social media, to appear at the top bar. Then I'll check top bar and save menu. So let me refresh my page now. Okay, so on the top part of this website, you can see the link to my social media handles. Then the main navigation bar is here, which is home, about us, courses, and services. Then in the footer part also, I'm having home, about, blog, and contact. So notice something, the menu here is different from the menu in the nav bar, and it is different from the menu in the top bar. All right, so in this tutorial, let me teach you how to create a custom link. For instance, now you can see that this about us is linking to a page on the same website. It's linking to a page on the same website. For instance, I want my link to link to an external website. Now, for instance, I want this link to link to a page on this website, on my website. Don't forget that we are working on localhost here, and this is my official website. It is online, it is hosted online. But I want a page on this website to link to a page on this my website. So what I would do is to create a custom link. To do that, you come to the left hand side on this dashboard, you click on custom link. Now, what is the link text? You put it, okay, I want it to link to the home page, to this home page of ID Tech. Okay, let me just say ID Tech. Okay, so that is the link text. Now, this URL, I've explained it in my first tutorial. So I will copy the URL to the page. If you want it to link to the home page, you right click on it. If you want it to link to the portfolio, for instance, okay, let me link it to portfolio. I want it linked to the portfolio. I will right click on it and copy link address. Copy link address. So copy link address, that the URL to this page is being copied already now. So I'll paste it here under this URL, paste. So it will paste the URL there. As you can see, idtech.com.ng/portfolio. That is the URL. Then I will click on add menu. So as you can see, now we are working on the secondary menu. As you can see, it has added the menu. Then I will save menu. Now let me refresh my page. So I'm refreshing the page. You can see ID Tech. So if I click on ID Tech now, it will direct me to the page. Okay, you can see it will direct me to the page which is outside the website. So to create any link, to create a custom link that is not maybe part of the website or part of the website, it is not a page that you want to add, but it is a link on its own. So to do that is to create custom link. Alright, another thing you can add to your menu is your post. You can add your post. You can also add category. In the previous class, I've explained how to create your post and how to create your category. So you can add posts from here. You can see these are the posts we have on this blog: writing good article, internet marketing tips. We have them. If I want to add, it's just for me to check it and add the menu. Okay, then I can add category also. For a blog, I can create a menu for my category like celebrity gist, news and motivation. I will check them and add. Okay, so save menu. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see now, the social media handles are there. The one that is linking to external websites is there. This is a link to a post, and these are categories. So from here, if you are creating a blog, you can arrange your category as a menu in the top bar for easy navigation for your site visitor. So if I click on news, it will give me only posts that are under news. If I click on celebrity gist, it will give me only posts that are under celebrity gist. Okay, it is not a good practice to put posts like this in menu. You can put category. So let me remove that post. So to remove your page from your menu, just this drop down, click on it and click on remove, then save menu. Okay, so if I refresh, that post might have been removed. So we have the social media handle and the categories in our navbar. Okay, I want to talk on child menu. What do I mean by that? For instance, these are social media handles. I'm having social media handles and I'm having category, but I don't want them to be like this. I want a case whereby I will have social media handle, and when you click on it, there will be a drop down of the social media handle, then the category. Where you need to click on the category, then there will be a drop down. So to do that, let me create custom link. Custom link. First custom link is going to be social media. Now, we are not linking this social media, we are not linking it to anywhere. We just want to put our pages under it. So if you know that your custom link is not linking to anywhere, just put hash. Just put hash like that. When you click on it, it will not leave that page. It will not link to anywhere. So add to menu. Then another one is our category. Category is the link text. While on the URL, I'll put hash because it is linking to nowhere. So I'll add to menu. Okay, to rearrange your pages, what you have to do is just to click on it and drag it up or down. Anywhere you want to put it, just drag it and drop it and release your mouse to drop there. So under social media, I'm having Facebook. Just drag it inward a bit and drag Twitter also. I'm dragging this one also. Then email also. I want to drag the email also. So these 4 items, the 4 items, they are sub. You can see sub item, sub item, sub item. They are sub item to social media. So what will happen is that when you click on social media, there will be a drop down showing these 4 items. So for the category also, I will be having celebrity gist under category. I will be having news under category, then motivation under category. Those 3 are categories. So I will save menu. Okay, let me refresh my page. So as you can see, we are having this social media. You can see as drop down: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email. Then under category, you can see them as drop down. So that is how to create sub menu or sub item under menu. Okay, so the same thing we have done here, we can do it to any menu. any menu on your website, you can do it. We can do it to this one that we assigned also to the header part of the website. Okay, so for this tutorial, we have been able to cover how to create our page, how to create our menu, how to add your category to your menu, how to add custom link, how to add post, and according to your team, this part of the website depends on your team. Okay, now another thing here is this mobile. Now I want this the menu that will display on my computer to be different from the one that will display on the mobile phone. Okay, so this one is to the top bar of my website. Now I want to remove it from the top bar and put it on mobile and save changes. Okay, let's now put another one on the top bar. Okay, let me select another menu from here. I'm selecting tutorial header. Okay, select. Okay, so I want to okay, this is on the header part of the website. Okay, let's refresh this page and see what we are doing. Okay, so now we have this home, about us, courses and service on the desktop display. Now let's try to make this browser small as if we want it displayed on the mobile, and let's see the menu. Okay, so you can see this is this like our phone, and let's click on our menu here. You can see that we are now having social media, category, celebrity gist, news, motivation. The menu is different from the one we are seeing on the desktop. Now we have social media category ID tech. This is the menu on our mobile display. Then let me maximize. Now you can see that the menu is quite different from the one we saw on the mobile. So there are themes like that will allow you to choose different menu for different field. It will allow you to choose menu for desktop view and another menu for mobile view. All right, so from this tutorial we've been able to cover so much. Don't forget that this part depends on the type of theme that you are using. Some themes you can only have the header, you may not have the top bar. Okay, so lastly, they automatically add new top level pages to this menu. If you check this, when I started this tutorial, I created some pages and the pages were not displaying in the front end here. So if I create page, it is not supposed to be added to this page. But if I check this, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Whatever page I create from now on will be added automatically. So I want to save menu. Okay, let me create a page to show you what I'm trying to explain there. Okay, so let me just name this new page, and publish. Okay, let me refresh my page. Okay, you can see new page will be added automatically. The page, as you are creating the page, it will be added automatically. If you check this one, this automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So it will add the newly created pages to the menu automatically. All right, that will be all for this tutorial. We'll see again in the next tutorial, which will be the class 7 of this training process. All right, my name is Ola Phillips. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I bet it with you, by the time you are going to be through with this training, you should be a full-time developer using WordPress. Thanks for watching this tutorial.